Standard Time. We also discuss all type of encounter. This week Sunday we'll be discussing health encounter. Have you ever have a health encounter? You don't want to miss this event. Coming up, we also will discuss healthy diet, recipe, exercise, the purpose of drinking water, and sunlight. On this channel, Power of Prayer Ministry, and I am your host, where we share testimony, prayer, and encouragement. And I also encourage you to stay tuned right on Power of Prayer Ministry as we will have an encounter with our health. What time? 3 p.m. Eastern Standard. You don't want to miss this session. It's gonna be off the chain. It's gonna be encounter with me, Jasmine. See you there Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This time we get an encounter with our health. Mwah.